Morning, guys. Today is Saturday, February 25th, 2017. Alright guys, so I wanted to start a little video series here called The Simple Life, because that's pretty much what we're living here. It's a simple life over here in the Philippines. I had a couple people had asked me, hey, what do you do all day? What do you do for fun? What do you do, to stay busy? I'd figured, like I said, we live a simple life here, nothing real exciting, but I figured I'd start doing like a daily vlog of some of the things we do, and that way you guys can see what a simple life here in the Philippines up here in Angeles City is like. Like I said, nothing too exciting. We're not hanging out in hammocks, sitting by the beach, drinking pina coladas. That's not what we do up here. Like I said, it's a simple life. And so I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna start doing daily vlogs here and see what happens, and see if you guys like it, and let me get some of your feedback, and let me know what you guys think. All right, guys. One of the things we usually do every morning is make ourselves a health drink. We try to drink it at least every morning. Sometimes we skip a day or two, but like I said, usually we do. As you can see, running a little low right now on some of the fruits that we put in, but we'll usually stick some dragon fruit in it, some mango, some grapes, orange, piece of ginger. I like to put some ice in it, make it a little on the cool side. Louisa, she'll stick some carrots in it. Like I said, we need to get to the grocery store because we're running it kind of low. Usually if I find some kale, I found kale one time, I'll throw some of that in there. We'll throw some honey in there. Like I said, we'll take a tablespoon of the malunggay, throw that in there, mix it up, and drink it down. But yeah, that's usually what we do in the morning for our health drink. Alright guys, what this is malunggay. At least once a week, what we'll do is we'll go out, break off some branches off the malunggay tree. They call it, what do they call it? The tree of life is what they call it.
Miracle.
The miracle tree. What we do is we break it off, we strip off the leaves. Lodi will put it up on the shelf outside in the sun, and then we dry it out. And then what we'll do is we'll bring it in, and we'll grind it up into a finer powder, and we'll put that in our Nutra Blitzer morning health drink that we drink. But yeah, check it out sometime. It's called malunggay, and check out the benefits of it. Bon appetit. Good stuff. Alright guys, we're gonna head on up to the cable company here. Got a couple issues that I need to take care of up here at the cable company, and so yeah, you guys are gonna go for a trip to the cable company with us. We're gonna hop on a jeepney here. I know you've heard me and seen me on the jeepneys here. I just wanted to let you know the price of the jeepneys here are 8 pesos per person. They actually went up. They were 7 pesos, but they went up due to the cost of gas going up. So it's 8 pesos, and that roughly breaks down to about 16 cents each. So for both of us to hop on the jeepney and go up into town costs 32 cents. Alright guys, you can see we're getting ready to head on to the famous walking street here in Angeles City. Show a little bit about what's going on here during the day. Really nothing goes on. Got some construction going on over here. But yeah, during the day there's only a handful of bars that are really open. They pretty much clean out the bars from the night before, stock up on ice and alcohol. But yeah, I mean, we walk down this way because this is the quickest, easiest way to get to the cable company. But yeah, you can see what's going on here in the famous walking street here in Angeles City. Hey guys, coming up on Kokomo's here. It's where a lot of guys hang out, sit. I guess people watch. But yeah, this is morning, like I said, and a lot of guys sitting out here just grabbing something to eat and people watching. Yeah, nice car.
Ini apa kuang papaya?
You guys, this is MacArthur Road here. This is one of the main roads that run up and through Angeles City here. If you run up that way, that'll take you up to like downtown Angeles City. Back over my shoulder that way, that takes you to, where does that take you to, look? Huh? Where does that way take you?
Here?
Yeah.
Dao.
Dao, takes you to Dao.
Terminal, then it takes you to Dao, Mabalacan.
Takes you to the bus terminal down that way. But yeah, this is MacArthur. Alright guys, hey, check this out. That's a big truck full of sugar cane right there. Hey guys, wanted to point this one fellow out to you. If I can get him, he's crossing the street right now, so I don't think I will. He's in a black shirt right there. He, I ran into him, maybe 2012 when I came here. I named him Stoner Boy. The reason I named him Stoner Boy is because I was actually standing right here. I'm right next to Johnny's. Johnny's is a grocery store. It's one of the grocery stores that a lot of people go shopping at. But I ran into this fella. He's a street guy. And somebody was teasing him. And they got in their car and they started driving away. Well, Stoner guy jumped up, grabbed himself a rock, threw it as hard as he could. Threw it as hard as he could, hit this car, and sat down as quick as he could. And I seen that, and it happened so quick, and I just started laughing. I couldn't stop. It was the funniest thing, one of the funniest things I'd seen when I got here. So yes, I've named him Stoner Guy. Usually every time I see him, I'll give him a few pesos because he made me laugh, but yeah. But anyways, we're standing outside of the cable company here. Air Cable Company. I don't think I'll be able to film in there, but this is Air Cable Company, and I got to go in there and handle some business. All right. All right, guys, so I settled that issue with the cable company. Rather simple fix. Hang on. One of the things you got to remember here is you got to be patient. You can't get wound up. You can't get excited because it's not going to change anything. 99% of the time they'll correct the problem, but sometimes it does get frustrating because it's not like back in the States where you expect things to be done. But you know, you can't really complain too much. You know, I think we pay, what do we pay for cable?
2,186.
Like 2,186. Like $45, something like that. That includes our internet, HD channels. You know, we get like 200 and some channels, so you can't really complain. But that issue's done, and now I think we're gonna head over to the mall. Lodi, do you have any words of wisdom and words of advice to our subscribers out there when they come here and it's very hot?
Drink plenty of water and stay hydrated.
There you go, guys. She says drink plenty of water and stay hydrated.
Yeah.
That's the key. Guys, I want to show you something here. You got this walkway here that goes up over the highway that you can take to go over to the mall. All right, I'm going to show you something here, guys. You guys understand something? I've been coming here since 2012, like off and on. And I'm going to show you these steps here. All right. Be here in a second. You got these steps here, guys. This escalator here. Since 2012, these things have not been running. 2012, you got to walk them. But it's a nice little workout. Buddy said it works out what? What's the workout? She said it works out her gluteus maximus.
Booty.
Her booty.
Booty
Her
maximum.
gluteus maximus. Her booty. But yeah, gotta love it. Guys, another thing they'll do as you enter into the mall here, they have security guards. They'll check inside your backpack, check inside the women's purses. They'll run a wand on you for any type of metal. A lot of times they'll pat your back to make sure you're not carrying anything in there. But yeah, it's pretty much just standard here. Every mall I've ever been into, that's what they do. Hello. You guys, the Filipino people like coming to the mall. Matter of fact, they love coming to the mall. Like I said, we'll come maybe 3 times a week. We come usually, you know, grocery shopping, you know, grab a cup of coffee or something. But yeah, they love coming to the mall. It's like a social gathering for everybody. You guys, I've been waiting months, literally months, for this place to open here. I think in December, it said opening in December, and it didn't open. And it said opening in January of 2017, it didn't open. Then it said opening February of 2017. Right now, I am a happy camper because it is finally open. You ask yourself, what is open? Here it is, guys. This is what I've been waiting for. Oh yeah, Cinnabon. So you know what that means. It's time to go in and enjoy a delicious Cinnabon. Alright guys, there it is. The classic cinnamon bun, and they're actually giving out free coffee today. Must be the grand opening, but there it is, guys. It's what I've been waiting for. Alright guys, I've been waiting for this couch here to go on sale.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is on
20%
sale.
discount, yeah.
20% discount.
Yeah.
Sale's good to the 28th.
Yes.
So I'll either be in tonight later on or tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yes.
Discount sir until February 20.
Discount till February 28th.
Yeah.
But this is the couch I've been waiting for to go on sale. Last time it was on sale, it was Christmas time, but it's on sale now, and we'll be getting it. Alright guys, so we just got back from the mall again. Paid for our furniture, gonna be delivered next month. Now, getting ready to have some dinner. We're gonna have some, what is it? Pork? What is it?
Pork barbecue.
Pork barbecue. Gonna cook it on the grill.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we got the little grill going right now. Actually, Balik Bayan boxed this grill over from the States before we left. As you can see, it's got a little propane tank on the side. I bought the adapter in the States, and I can fill up the little tanks here. But yeah, that's a little grill we got going on here. Got some potatoes cut up in there, a little bit of butter, a little bit of oil, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onions. Take it off, then we're gonna throw some, we're gonna melt some mozzarella cheese on that, and that's part of our dinner. Got the little barbecue sticks going on now. Yeah, this is our little cookout. We actually come out here onto the outside area because if we cook in the small courtyard area there, we'll wind up smoking everybody out. So we actually come out here and and set up our little grill out here alongside the street and have our little barbecue. Alright guys, as you can see what's for dinner. Got little potatoes on the grill. Got some melted mozzarella in there. Got some fried onions, some garlic in there. Got some pork barbecue sticks. Of course, we got the rice. We got the rice going on. Something to drink. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for the day. Like I said, things always pop up. There's always something going on here in the Philippines. But you know, it's a simple life here we're living. But yeah, that's about it. And you got anything to say, Lut?
See you.
All right. See you guys.